feel a draft right here. Oh goodness. I can see outdoors here.
Not sure about this. It's been painted over. And I guess it needs to be all ripped out and replaced. I've been struggling to get this existing painted one out. It's kind of roughed up this insert here. Don't know if it's whether I should try and like sand it down now. Out the existing sort of painted over seal was actually non-trivial. I had to, here's a bit of it. It was just, and then I had to like sort of like scalpel it out. Lots of gunk with this blade and this tool. So these two tools have been invaluable. Let's see here, this is this. I think it's called a kerf. To be honest, the wood is kind of like rough as nuts. So I'm glad I've got these gloves. Did the job. So yeah, I've got to fit it in here. You can see the wood is like come apart there. Oh my gosh, this doesn't look easy to push in. It's just, it can fix with silicone or by in situ. Okay, it does go in there. So I guess I need to start with the very bottom here and just run around the sides. Nice material, this Schlegel. It does kind of say like O-LON or so Q-LON on it. I'm really sure if I could hold it up, I think I could maybe do it. I don't understand, this kerf is too thin or something. Just can't do it. Don't know what I'm missing here. I mean, maybe you have to start from the top, because it's just winding and bending and stuff like that. Well, this is a Schlegel DIY fail because I've been trying to remove material from this kerf. I think this was the last method I used. I shoved a bit of sandpaper in and just moved it around along this thing. And then yeah, I've been stuffing it in here, and my hands have been it sort of like, I can't explain it. It's just been, my hands have just had RSI, got into a fit trying to stick this in, and I kind of got it in, but then it was kind of also popping out, and at this point I just ripped it out, and that's where I am with my DIY fail. When it was in, it wasn't in properly, and then furthermore, now the door became even harder to close. So the big problem here is that this door is now like much harder to close. I'm proudest of this bit because this bit actually has stopped the draft coming on the right, but I can't get this top one in. Is there a trick to doing it? Yeah, it's a bit of a DIY fail. I feel like a complete failure. It's somewhat successful, like this is less drafty, but I can't get this one in, and this is where I'm at. So any advice, any tips? Otherwise, that's my story.
Otherwise, what, would we get a new door?
I don't know. I failed to install this product. It's so tough to close this door. It's like pops out once you get it. You see? It just pops out.